I'm Orion Bell, the CEO at Benjamin Rose, and this is Beyond the Mission. Well, I've worked in aging services for a number of years, and Benjamin Rose has a great reputation in aging services around the country. So I knew who the organization was, knew something about the research work and some of the programming here, even though I didn't live in Cleveland before coming here to work for Benjamin Rose. I think one of the biggest surprises here is, and a good surprise, is the level of commitment that our board has to serving the city of Cleveland. There is very much a sense of an urban mission, a focus on the inner cities of the community, a focus on working with lower income older adults, working with vulnerable populations. And that's very much ingrained in the leadership of the organization, not just the staff, but the folks who serve on the board of directors and approve the budgets and those kinds of activities. But very intentional about even the placement of this building, of having it be in the city, not out in the suburbs somewhere. And about being very intentional about that being the mission of the organization and the importance of that. And it's just sort of baked into the DNA of the place. If you talk about healthcare, you can't have a serious conversation about healthcare and healthcare services and not have that be a conversation that includes older adults. Walk the halls of the hospital and look at the age of the person that's there. Or if you're talking about community development efforts and neighborhood revitalization efforts, the residents of the neighborhood, the homeowners in the neighborhood, it's often the older adults. And so sometimes just having the conversation about reminding people that those are the precinct captains, those are the people that run the block watch, those are the people that volunteer in the neighborhood, and reminding people that that older adult population is relevant and part of the conversation, and not just a group that draws services or draws resources, but people that are contributing to the quality of life in those settings and in those communities. And to me, that's the greatest challenge to us, is reminding people about the relevance of the population. Our big event each year is a storytelling. It's sharing the successes of people that have participated in a class or taken part in a program or seen some household stability for the first time in their adult life. And telling that, and it's about their empowerment and their participation. Not something we did for them, but something we helped them do. And that is the best way to talk about programs and services and support and why people should volunteer or why they should be a donor, is to say, this is what happens when you do this. But that story lands differently than me telling you there were 5,000 units of something. So we're in a unique position to not only be about providing quality service, but also helping promote and develop services and developing the industry for aging services, not just here in Cleveland, but across the country. And you don't get to do that in social services very often. So I think we have a great appreciation for the unique gift that Benjamin Rose and the endowment made to allow for some of these projects and services to exist. Gives us the ability to develop new things and have a little patience in being able to roll things out. And to me, that's the great service that Benjamin Rose offers, and it's also something that's important to be a good steward of. That we have a legacy to uphold just by having the reputation that the organization has, the history they have in working with older adults, and the capacity to continue to serve the needs of older adults in an evolving environment, and as the needs of older adults change and as the needs of families change, that we can continue to be an important part of that.